If you're searching for a fast roof repair estimate, Logan, you're probably dealing with a roofing problem that can't wait. Whether it's a sudden leak, missing shingles, or storm damage, getting clear answers and honest pricing matters. Homeowners in Logan deserve straightforward information, fast response time, and roofing solutions that actually last. One of the biggest concerns we hear is cost. People want an affordable roofing quote Logan homeowners can trust, without hidden fees or pressure. The truth is, roof repair pricing depends on a few key factors: the size of the damaged area, the type of roofing material, how accessible the roof is, and whether the issue is cosmetic or structural. A professional inspection is the only way to give an accurate number, but a transparent estimate should clearly explain what needs to be fixed and why. When water is actually coming into your home, emergency roof leak repair Logan services become critical. Even a small leak can quickly lead to insulation damage, mold growth, and costly interior repairs. Acting fast protects not only your roof, but also your ceilings, walls, and personal belongings. A reliable roofing contractor will prioritize urgent leaks and provide temporary and permanent solutions to stop further damage. Many homeowners ask about Logan roof repair price ranges before scheduling service. While every situation is different, reputable roofers will walk you through your options, from targeted repairs to full replacement if necessary. Minor repairs may be relatively affordable, while widespread damage or aging roofs may require a larger investment. The key is understanding the long-term value, not just the upfront cost. If you're unsure whether you need a simple repair or a full replacement, getting an estimate for roof repair or replacement Logan residents can rely on is the best first step. A detailed estimate helps you compare options, plan your budget, and make a confident decision for your home. There should be no guesswork, just clear explanations, realistic timelines, and honest recommendations. Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home. Choosing a professional who understands local Logan weather conditions, responds quickly, and provides accurate estimates can save you time, money, and stress. If you need fast answers and dependable roofing solutions, start with a professional inspection and get the information you need to move forward with confidence. Contact us now for more info on how we can help you. 435-999-5004